Yeah, I couldn't find anything around like 3 inches in diameter.
And I'm a man of my word.
Oh, you just hear the difference? Yo, do it. Put it back on.
Thank you for calling O'Reilly. Khalil, how can I help you?
Hey, do you guys have any 3-inch piping in stock?
3-inch piping.
Yeah.
Can you just hold for me for one moment? I'm about to go and check and look.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. As you guys can tell, we're trying to do the axle dump today, but I got to find somebody with 3-inch piping. AutoZone don't have none. Advanced don't have none. O'Reilly's pull through? Question mark?
How long were you looking for?
Maybe 2 feet, and if it has to be separate sections, that's fine.
All right, no problem.
Thank you.
All right, just give me one moment. Hey.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you asked for a 3-inch and 2 feet?
Roughly, yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't find anything around like 3 inches in diameter, but I could find a pipe that was like 2 inches in diameter, but it's only 9 inches long. Like that's as close as I could get to your description.
Okay, that's fine. If I end up needing it, I'll come by, but let me call around a little bit.
All right, no problem, man. Thanks for calling.
Perfect, thank you. Have a good one. I can hear him all the way in the back of the neighborhood. That's ridiculous. This man showing up to my house with this loud ass truck. Damn, you gonna get me in trouble. You know I just got off the phone with the HOA yesterday, and this is,
yeah.
I need to get you off the street. Let's hurry up and go. I called O'Reilly's and AutoZone, but I did not call Advanced Auto Parts, so we're gonna see what they have real quick. Advanced Auto Parts didn't have shit, so now we're at AutoZone. Then we're gonna try O'Reilly's, and if all else fails,
Lowe's.
We're going to Lowe's. That's what we need.
Yes. Now we just need like 2 more.
We really need 2 more, or what if we, yeah, because we probably need another one of those.
Well, that one, and another one.
We probably need 1 more of those, and then a tip, right? Or the dump.
The dump. Oh, here's the dump.
Is that a 3-inch? Oh, hell yeah.
So, there's those 2 right there.
All right, so we've got, dude, that's cheap too. That's.
Oh, that's 7.
No, that's not $7.
6. No, how
much is that? It's like what, 15 bucks together?
Yeah, people who come.
Look, we can look. Oh, that's a lot of welding though for the little tiny pieces.
Yeah,
I know for sure. We're getting those.
What I'm gonna do is weld off of the truck, do full beads, and then when it's time, I'm gonna have you hold it up, and I'm gonna tack it onto the other pipe, and then full weld that.
Okay.
So we need at least I pray to God 2 more of this size.
2? We need 2 more?
Yes. Should we ask him? I'll go ask.
Yeah, let's go ahead. Spot number 3.
Hey, I think he got you beat on parking.
Oh, that's a great parking job right there. What's O'Reilly's gonna have? I literally called on the phone and they did not have the 3-inch pipe that we needed. All right, so the real question is, we found the 2 pipes that we need. We found the dump that we need. The real question is, what kind of tip do we go with? Do we go with, I mean, I've kind of got an idea of what I want to do. I don't really want to spend, I know this kind of sounds stupid, I don't really want to spend $30 on a tip that I'm not going to keep anyway. So I feel like I've got a custom tip idea, if you're willing to. Oh. You want to do it?
Yep.
I think we do it. Let's get this and we'll head home.
Yeah.
As you guys may know by the title and the thumbnail, we are axle dumping the truck today. Now, I know I've been talking about this for a week or so, and I kept telling you guys in the last couple days in the comments that I was gonna do this, and I'm a man of my word. We're gonna axle dump the truck today, and I'm super excited. I got Shamar here. Shamar is gonna be welding everything for us today. I got dogs barking in the background. Christina's flicking me off over there through the window that you guys can't see, but we are gonna make this happen. And the HOA, there's nothing they can do about it, because I'm in my driveway right now, absolutely in my driveway. So, but this is what we got today. So we went to Advanced Auto Parts, we went to O'Reilly's, we went to AutoZone, and we went to one special place that you guys will see at the end of the video, and that's gonna be our tip today. I did buy a tip today, and it's a little surprise for you guys. It's kind of stupid, but we're gonna do it anyway, so I don't care. But so we got a couple of sections of 3-inch piping that's gonna fit together. Yeah, just like that. We got a couple sections of 3-inch piping all the way through. Oh. And we got our axle dump tip. So this is
That's not the tip.
that's not the tip, but this is what we're gonna use to axle dump it. So we gotta weld this on today, and that's what Shamar's gonna do.
Yes.
Let me show you guys what we're working with. All right, so for those of you that don't know, I used to have dual exhaust tips. And on a whim one day after work, we cut those off, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple clips of that real quick just so you guys can get caught up. So that's what we did that day at work, and all we have now is this just random pipe. It's just a random pipe hanging down now. So we've got the catalytic converters that come together. We deleted the resonator in the front, which is what people call the third cat, and now we just have this straight pipe. And what we're gonna do is we're going to extend the pipe from here over the axle and down towards the ground, hopefully being as loud as humanly possible. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna let Shamar get to work. All right, guys, we're checking final placement of our axle dump. I think that's money right there. Throw a hanger on it, and that's money.
Yes, sir.
I'll probably end up taking the spare tire out, but that's money right there.
Oh yeah. Let's get the welding.
Hell yeah.
Keep it right there. It's flimsy.
Definitely, I haven't brought my spare tire down in, it's been at least 2 or 3 years, but it really scares me to take the spare tire out completely because I feel like as soon as I take it out, I'm gonna need it. But at the same time, it's 100% flat and I can't put my custom tip on there without taking this down. So we gotta take the spare tire out. That's pretty much what I'm saying. Anybody wants it? Too bad. All we gotta do is throw our tip on there. Let it ride. Oh, let's put the tip on there. Everybody likes a good tip, right? Is this gonna melt? Absolutely. Is it still funny as hell? Absolutely. Ta-da! There is your, actually it should probably sit down a little bit, but there's your exhaust tip. You ready to hear what it sounds like?
Crank it up.
I'm kind of excited. Here, I guess stand back here, and we'll get down and we'll. What do you think it's gonna be louder?
I don't. Yeah.
I'm kind of scared. All right, you ready? That definitely sounds deeper. Hold on, here, I'll go rev it a little bit. Now, obviously, I can't ride around with that tip on all the time, and I'll get some kind of a more permanent tip, but for now, I think the back pressure is going to be better, and I think that sound is deeper and just, it's cleaner. It's not that clappy sound anymore. I think this is the sound we were shooting for. You guys might not be able to tell a huge difference on camera, but in person, it's a lot cleaner, it's a lot smoother, and it is actually a little bit deeper now too. So I'll take the...
Did you just hear the difference?
Crazy.
Yo, do it. Put it back on. Oh. That's crazy.
I gotta leave that on there now.
No, now you really have to get a diesel tip. That's crazy. I don't know if y'all can hear that on camera.
Look how much of a difference that from that is. That's how much difference a freaking tip makes with your exhaust.
I guess the size of the tip does matter.
You know what they say?
Dude, that's crazy.
I gotta so what I'm figuring out right now is we have to extend it down towards the ground more. Because like the more down it shoots, the better it sounds. Because as soon as you take this off, all your noise is gone. So right now it sounds pretty good. Don't get me wrong. Like this is I'm happy with this sound right now, but I definitely need some kind of big ass tip on there. I have to do it. This sucks because I want this sound right now. Well, exhaust sounds amazing. Sorry. Exhaust sounds good. Had to go test out the new exhaust, take it around the block, get some cookout. Everybody knows, especially if you work with me right now. None of you guys work with me, he does. I love cookout right now. Cookout is the shit right now to me. I don't know why. But I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. If you guys have any recommendations for what tip I should put on the axle dump, it can be anything. It could be a watermelon, a trash can. We could put a, whatever the fuck you want me to put on there. Let me know, and I will put it in a video one day. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Huge shout out to Shamar for coming by today and hooking the boy up. Yeah, we got the hats on the website right now for only a week, so make sure you guys go check the new hat on the website. It's only gonna be on there for like a week. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.